If you want to get started with Cursor AI on your PC, this video will show you exactly how to download and install it step by step in just a few minutes. Cursor is a powerful AI-powered code editor, and once it's installed, you can begin using it for faster coding, smarter suggestions, and a smoother development workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type download Cursor AI for Windows. This will help you find the official download page quickly, so you can make sure you are getting the correct installer from the real source. After you search, look through the results and click the official website for Cursor AI. It's always important to use the official site when downloading software, because that helps protect your PC and make sure you get the latest version. Once the Cursor website opens, look for the download button. In many cases, you may need to click download twice before the file actually begins downloading, so don't worry if the first click doesn't seem to do anything right away. Click the download button again if needed, and then wait for the file to start downloading. After that, your browser should begin saving the Cursor installer to your computer. You can usually see the progress in the bottom corner of Chrome or in your Downloads panel. Once the download is complete, click the downloaded file to launch the installer. If Windows shows a security prompt, that's normal. Just continue through the setup process carefully. When the installer opens, you'll see the license agreement. Select I accept the agreement so you can move forward with the installation, then click Next to continue. If you see another Next option, click Next again to proceed through the setup screens. These steps are usually simple and just help confirm the install location and setup preferences. After that, click Install to begin installing Cursor AI on your PC. Windows will now copy the necessary files and finish setting up the application. Depending on your computer, this may take a short moment, so let the installation complete without interrupting it. Once it's done, you should be able to launch Cursor AI and start using it right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Cursor AI on your Windows PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.